Hi guys, it's Mrs. Everly. Today we're going to be talking about conclusions. Here is my example. Again, you guys pause it at any point in time to look this over. Make sure you use this as a guide for when you guys are writing your own conclusions, because this is exactly what Mrs. Everly is going to be looking for. So, when you guys write conclusions, there's a couple strategies to follow. Make sure it wraps up your whole essay. You guys, this is the last thing that the reader is going to be reading, so they want to wrap it up. You're kind of putting a nice bow on it, and I've said that a couple of times, okay? Making sure that it's not going on, that the reader is not going to have further questions, and that you're being very clear with your thoughts, your reasons, and your evidence. This is the final impression for the reader. Again, you guys, you don't want to waste the reader's attention. Why should the reader not only read your introduction, but why should the reader have continued to read your essay? And why should they read why they should read your conclusion? What have they learned? What should they have learned? Make sure you restate your thesis, okay? So again, you guys, you don't need to restate your reasons, but you should restate your thesis, making it clear again what your whole essay was about. Your conclusion should be 3 to 4 sentences. Again, you guys, if you want to write 5, great. Nothing more than 5 though, you guys. Seriously, there's no point of it. And then I just gave you an example here as well. Therapy dogs, guide dogs, drug tracking dogs, and herding are just a few of the ways that dogs can be trained as pets. Dogs have amazing skills and can show endless love and affection for their owners. Who wouldn't want a lifelong friend? So again, you guys, if you look at it, I'm giving you guys some examples as to how dogs can be trained and all the amazing things and skills that dogs have compared to other pets. I also put on here what my thesis statement was, and I also end it with a question. So I'm really I'm looking at the reader and I'm addressing the reader right away, and I'm making them think. So final thoughts. Who wouldn't want a lifelong friend? We all want a friend. We all want someone that is going to always be there for you. And a dog is that type of, is that friend, okay? No matter how crappy we treat them, they're always there for you. When you come through the door, they're wagging their tails. They're always showing excitement. So you guys, if I was to write an essay on this, I would make sure that I'm really being clear, examples of how dogs can be trained, ways that they show affection, and ways that they can be a lifelong friend. So again, you guys, conclusions, 3 to 4 sentences, but at most 5, so that 3 to 5 range, making sure that you guys are wrapping it up, that you're stating your thesis. You guys could state your reasons again if you want, and then just doing a concluding sentence. Like again, what is one sentence that you could tell someone else what this whole essay is about, okay? So if you had to explain this essay and if you had to teach this essay to someone else, what would be one sentence that you could use to describe it? And again, you guys, I did that in a question format because I wanted the reader to end my essay thinking about something, really having like a conversation or why dogs are better than cats or snakes or any of those type of things. All right, goodbye.